You pull into the gas station, grab the nozzle, and start filling up. But halfway through, you realize, oh no, you just pumped diesel into your gasoline car. Your heart sinks. Your mind races. Is your engine ruined? Are you looking at a $5,000 repair bill? Before you panic or turn that key, stick with me. This next 3 minutes could save your car, your wallet, and your sanity. Here's the hard truth. Diesel and gasoline aren't just different fuels, they're opposites. Gasoline engines ignite fuel with a spark. Diesel engines ignite fuel with pressure. That's why they're built so differently. Put diesel in a gasoline engine and bad things happen. Diesel is thicker, oilier, and way harder to burn. Once it's in your system, it clogs your fuel injectors, gums up your fuel pump, and suffocates your engine. If you start the car, you're basically inviting a small-scale disaster under the hood. Now, good news, if you haven't started the car yet, you just dodged the biggest bullet. Here's your survival plan. Do not start the engine. Turning the key will pump diesel into every corner of your fuel system. Call a tow truck. Have your car taken to a trusted mechanic. Be upfront. Tell them exactly what happened. This is one of those times when honesty saves you money. Your mechanic will drain the tank, flush the fuel lines, clean out the injectors, check the pump, and replace the fuel filter. Once everything's clear, you're good to go. Now, if you did start the engine, we're in deeper waters. Diesel may have already damaged your fuel pump, clogged your lines, and even hurt your catalytic converter. That means bigger repairs and a bigger bill. Still, don't give up. Get it to a mechanic ASAP. The sooner they can flush it out, the better your chances. So how do you make sure this never happens again? Most diesel nozzles are wider than gas nozzles, but that's not a foolproof safeguard. At some stations, the pumps are right next to each other, and if you're distracted, it's easy to grab the wrong one. Double check the label every single time before fueling. It takes 2 seconds and could save you thousands. Bottom line, putting diesel in a gas car isn't the end of the world, but ignoring it is. Don't start the engine. Call for help. Let a pro clean it out. Ever had a fuel mix-up or know someone who has? Drop your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you want to keep your car running like new and keep more money in your pocket, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.